Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In today's video, I'll show you how to share a Canva design step by step. Whether you want someone to edit your design, leave comments, or simply view it, Canva makes the process quick and easy. So let's get started. First, open Canva in your web browser and sign in to your account if you haven't already. Once you're on the Canva homepage, open the design you want to share. Now go to the top right corner of the editor and click the Share button. If you want to invite someone by email, type their email address in the invitation box. You can add one or multiple email addresses. Next, choose the permission you want to give them. Select Can edit if they should be able to make changes, can comment if they only need to leave feedback, or can view if they only need to see the design. If you'd like, you can also type a short message that will be sent with the invitation. Then click the Send button. Canva will email the invitation to the people you selected. If you prefer sharing with a link, click Copy Link instead. Before copying, make sure the link permission is set the way you want. Then paste the link into an email, message, or anywhere else you want to share it. You can always return to the Share menu later to change permissions, remove someone's access, or invite more people whenever you need. And that's it. That's how you can share a Canva design in 2026. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Canva tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.